Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
In this video, you're gonna learn about
Principles of graphics and design.
Watch and learn.
Enjoy!
Have fun!
What's
up, guys?
So this time we're going to talk about
The principles of graphics and design. We have the balance and unity,
movement and repetition, contrast and white space, and last, the proximity.
balance. Every element of a design, typography, colors, images, shapes, patterns, etc. carries a visual weight. Some elements are heavy and draw the eye, while other elements are lighter. The way these elements are laid out on a page should create a feeling of balance.
Movement. Movement refers to the way the eye travels over a design. The most important element should lead to the next most important and so on. This is done through positioning. The eye naturally falls on certain areas of a design first. Emphasis on other design elements already mentioned.
Next is the unity. Unity refers to how well the elements of a design work together. Visual elements should have clear relationship with each other in a design. Unity also helps ensure concepts are being communicated in a clear, cohesive fashion. Design with good unity also appear to be more organized and of higher quality and authority than design with poor unity.
Another is repetition. Repetition is a great way to reinforce an idea. It is also a great way to unify a design that brings together a lot of different elements. Repetition can be done in numbers of ways, via repeating the same colors, typefaces, shapes, or other elements of a design.
The principle of proximity is simply the process of ensuring related design elements are placed together. Any unrelated items should be spaced apart. Close proximity indicates that items are connected or have a relationship to each other and become one visual unit, which helps you to organize or give structure to a layout.
Contrast refers to how different elements are in design, particularly adjacent elements. These differences make various elements stand out. Contrast is also a very important aspect of creating accessible design. Insufficient contrast can make text content, in particular, very difficult to read, especially for people with visual impairments. White space, also referred as the negative space, is the area of a design that do not include any design element. The space is effectively empty.
Say hi, guys!
Hi, haya na kita sa iba.
Ingatan mo siya.